add a drop of Vic Vapor Rub to a candle. After I learned this trick, I never had to wait at the hospital or spend money on treatments again. Do this, and you'll never have to deal with this problem again. Let's start with our simple tip. We only need 3 candles. Place them in a saucepan. Then turn on low heat and let them melt completely. I never imagined I could do this at home. I started saving so much money. My kids and I never needed to go to the hospital again after I learned this amazing trick. Once the candles have melted completely, we'll remove the wicks. Don't throw away the leftover wicks. We'll use them later. Now comes our most important ingredient to make this work. We'll need some Vic Vapor Rub. Vic Vapor Rub is a well-known product in households worldwide. We only need 1 spoonful of Vic Vapor Rub. Add it and mix until the Vic Vapor Rub melts and blends completely with the candle wax. Once that's done, turn off the heat. Now we'll pour the melted candle mixture into a container. You can use whichever container you prefer as long as it's not made of plastic. Next, we're going to add some cloves. Cloves play a crucial role in our tip, and there's no exact amount you need to use. Just add as much as you like. Then, mix it all together well. I learned this trick from an elderly nurse. This is a powerful and foolproof tip. I bet you'll never spend money on expensive pharmacy medications again. After mixing it thoroughly, our remedy is almost ready. Remember the wick I told you to set aside earlier? We're going to use it now with the help of a clothespin. Simply position the wick in the center of the container. Let it sit for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After some time, it'll look like this. See how it's turned out already. This is amazing, and you'll thank me when I tell you what it's for. Now, just remove the clothespin. Then, trim off the excess wick. After that, you can light it up. What we've just created is a wonderful candle that can help improve your health and repel insects. Making an aromatic candle with Vicks Vapor Rub can offer some interesting health benefits. It's especially useful for respiratory relief and relaxation. It can help alleviate mild respiratory issues, such as nasal congestion, thanks to its expectorant properties. Making a candle using Vicks Vapor Rub harnesses the medicinal properties of certain plants and essential oils. This candle was primarily designed to treat chest congestion, cough, and other cold symptoms. Simply leave it in your room and breathe normally while you sleep. This will provide all the benefits mentioned above while you're sleeping. And along with the cloves, it will help drive away all kinds of insects from your home, especially mosquitoes. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties. It scares away all types of flying insects. If you live in an area with lots of insects and don't know what else to do, try making this homemade candle. That was today's tip, and I really hope you enjoyed it. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.